today I actually got a package sent to me. Like, I bought it, but I don't know, so let's check out the package, and I kind of don't remember where I put it. I'll try to find it. Alright guys, I think I found it. It's right over here. It's alright, I'm not going to show you this part because there is my address. I think I could, but cover the address, like, alright. It says here, I don't know why it says hand spinner. It says hand spinner. So let me show you guys the hand spinner that it says. Where is it? It's right over here. It says it's a hand spinner kind of stuff. So let me focus that real quick. Can't really focus, but it says, oh, there you go, hand spinner. I don't know, they sent me wrong stuff maybe. This looks like a fidget cube, I can tell. Look at the box. If I fold it a little bit, it's like a fidget cube. So I don't know if it's even a fidget cube or I don't know. So it's taped. Let's unbox this thing. Let's go. I got a cutter. Now it's not focusing. Whoop. The autofocus is not on. Anyways, let's just open this up. It is taped. Ooh, that is a loud one. So let's open this thing up. This is my second unboxing in this channel. Last time I unboxed a fidget spinner. Now I don't know if it's still a fidget spinner. So let's open up this thing. It's kind of not good cut, but don't play with knife, kids. Well, I'm a kid, but I am being very careful right here. Very careful. I can't open this thing. There you go, now it's open. Alrighty. Let's close this thing first. This is dangerous, dude. So let's open this thing up. There is something in here. Okay, I don't think that's a fidget cube or a fidget spinner, but it's a fidget toy. So yeah, it's actually a fidget toy. So yeah, we don't need this package anymore. Whoa, whoa, nice landing. So it's a fidget toy. It's not any kind of stuff. So I'm unboxing my fidget toy. So this fidget toy is kind of went pretty long. It's like in the 90s maybe. Let me show you guys. It's a spring jump. Spring jump, is that what you call it? Spring jump. There you go, it's a spring jump. It's very nice spring jump. Look at that. That's a spring jump, guys. So spring jump is like a spring where you play with it, and it like satisfies you when you're boring. So that's a kind of fidget toy. So that's a spring jump. I buy this at like an online Taiwan shop. So I think this is Taiwan. Taiwan people out there, tell me if that's a Taiwan language, but I know that's Taiwan because it says under here, it says it's made in China. I don't really know if you guys can see that, but it is made in China. I mean, not made in China, made in Taiwan. So yeah, it says here, not suitable for children under 3 years of age due to small parts. So yeah, it's made in Taiwan. Only this part is English, which is the spring jump stuff. So that's the picture of the spring. Give a little focus. So that's the box. So let's open it. I don't know where is the part to open it. This might take some time to find the part where to open this thing.
A few moments later.
Oh, I see. There's a tape. Anyways, before that, I need to review the box first. So it says here, spring jump on that part. Let me try and only focus on the box. Focus on the box. There you go. It says spring jump there. Taiwan words there. But there's also a picture of a spring, and also a spring like going down like a ladder stairs. So that's a spring. That's another Taiwan word. Under here it's like a warning, like a choking hazard, and made in Taiwan under there. So you guys can read that. Made in Taiwan, and just like warning or anything. So under 3 years can't really play with springs. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing. There's actually tape. I figured out like 5 minutes. Then I figured out there's a tape. So let's open this thing. Okay. somebody disturb me, but I don't care. Let's open it. So there's like 2 tapes, so let's just open this top part where it's called spring jump there. There's a tape. Oh my god, how do you open this tape? This tape is like a thin layer of a tape. There you go. That's open. It's stuck. There's still some of them on the sides. On this side. There you go, it's open. Let's go and unbox this thing. Alright, I open it, it's like a flap, and then there's a spring in there. So let's unbox this spin, and we don't need the box, so throw that again. Nice landing. Alright, we have it in the package, nice package. Let's see, do we need a knife? Alright, we don't need a knife because there's a hole here maybe. So this is the spring. Oh yeah, as you can see, the plastic also says like Taiwan. So they really like Taiwan, so let's just throw it. And now we have this spring. Look at the spring. Ooh, it's kind of weird. It's like very loose. I don't know, because in the package they're like, you know, this is by the way like a aluminum or like metal, and like a small one. So yeah, it's like one of these guys. I like this thing. It's like a fidget toy. This thing is really cool. Look at that. Whoop. Look at this. Okay, too much. So the thing that I don't kind of like. Oh, dude, it's like this shape. It's like not inner. Look at that. And like it's like, look at that. It's like point over. Why does it not be like that? Why does it? I want it to be like that, but it'd be like this. But it's still fun to play. You still can play with it. Okay, come. How do you do this? So this is a very fun fidget toy slash hand spinner. It's not hand spinner, but it's like kind of fidget toy. So I can play with this all the time. I don't know why I'm unboxing this, but most of my channel videos I do about fidget spinner, so it's pretty much fidget, so it makes sense about fidget toys. So I will buy some more fidget toys, don't worry guys. Look at this thing is bouncing around. Whoop, whoop. So it's just normal spring. You can actually make this yourself, but it's pretty hard to make, so that's a good shape. So yeah, that's unboxing for this spring. So let's test how long can it go, maybe? Like, alright, this could be my future hair. Okay, it's stuck to the mic wire. Oh god. Alright, it's stuck to the mic wire. Look at that. Great. Very great. I need to take off my mic for a second. Alright, it's out. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like it. Also subscribe. Oh, it's still bouncing. I don't know why it's bouncing on itself. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like and also subscribe. I'm gonna shout out Super B. I think it's Super B is for commenting on my last video. So shout out to you, Super B. Be sure to subscribe, Super B. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.